are they, for goodness sake? They're so punctual as a rule.
Count Champignac. Count Champignac, I am here to escort you to your train.
Lead on, my good man.
Here we are. All set, but there's a little problem. The young lady insists on going with you.
Jessica, as I live and breathe.
Hello, Count.
What a surprise.
Dr. Vertigos didn't tell me there would be a lady. He chartered this car for the Count and his two friends. But where are they? The train is leaving soon.
Something must have held them up at the last minute. What a shame. I guess I'll be the only reporter covering the mysterious Dr. Tonio Vertigos. Would you mind my sharing your luxurious train car?
Your steward, the young lady will be my guest.
For crying out loud, who's gonna rid me of this meddling reporter?
For crying out loud. Anywhere in San Martino. The man simply doesn't exist. Sorry you weren't home, Spirou. Catch you later.
What time is it? 1:30? Oh no, the train! Fantasio, wake up!
What?
We missed the train.
Rats. Too bad. The Count will have to manage without us.
Don't you find it strange that all three of us would fall asleep in the middle of the day? We get a box of chocolates from a secret admirer, we try them, and bang! We're all out like a light.
It's true. I thought they tasted a little funny. Jessica! I told Jessica about our trip to San Martino. I'm sure she's behind this. She wants to steal our story.
Come on, Fantasio. Jessica is a tough competitor, but she plays fair. I don't think it was she.
Huh?
Hello, Spirou. This is Alberto Gordoni from the San Martino Gazette. Look, there's no man named Tonio Vertigos anywhere in San Martino. The man simply doesn't exist.
Oh no! The Count is in danger!
Sorry you weren't home, Spirou. Catch you later.
Who is Tonio Vertigos, Count?
I don't know, my dear. I only know him through his letter. He claims to be a rich industrialist, prepared to fund a number of my inventions.
He's a remarkable man. Very intelligent, very cultivated.
And which inventions interest him?
Why, every one of them. But especially the Sablotron, Metal Melt, and the Micropulsar.
Sablotron! Metal Melt! The Micropulsar!
May I have a glass of juice, please? I said, may I have a glass of juice?
Oh, yeah, sure, right away, lady.
The train stops at Mont-les-Neiges. With a little luck, we'll get there first.
If we maintain our present speed, I will run out of fuel in 30 minutes.
Don't worry, Penelope, my love. We'll give you a drink at the next service station.
Someone sends us drugged chocolates. The Count's invited to visit a man who doesn't exist, this Tonio Vertigos. Tonio Vertigos. Hey, wait a second. Tonio Vertigos. Doesn't that remind you of anything?
Why? Did we go to school together?
It's an anagram. Change the order of the letters, and you get...
Of course! Vito Cortisone!
So Dr. Vertigos wants to build you an ultra-modern lab?
That's right. A very generous offer.
Perfect. Now's the time to move. A box of chocolates full of sleeping potion and that pesky Spirou and Fantasio are out of commission. But there's still that Jessica, whatchamacallit. She's a fly in the ointment. But that's not a problem. Now to cut communications between the train and the outside world. You're a genius, Vito. Now, yellow and the blue. For crying out loud. Well, this way at least I know the telephone line is cut. Now to see to our friends.
There. I hope that little scientific expose was not too boring, my dear.
Oh, no. It was fascinating.
Come in.
I thought you might enjoy a little spot of tea.
How thoughtful of you. Thank you.
It's Earl Grey.
Thank you, Count. Private car, excellent service. This Dr. Vertigo sure knows how to live.
I swear that tea tastes of Spirou snooze-em-all. Oh,
Huh?
it's a powerful sleeping potion.
Count Champignac. Huh?
Are the babies asleep yet? If I do say so myself, I'm a genius. But boy, oh boy, I just hope that goofy Von Schnabel will be on time to meet us.
Okay, the train will be along soon. I pick up Champignac, I get rid of Vito, and all the Count's inventions will be mine.
Cash or charge?
Add these on too. I'm feeling a tad peckish.
Woo! A squirrel listening to a Walkman? Cool! We're gonna get along just fine. You want me to drive?
Do you mind? I hate to eat and drive. It's not safe.
Let's go. We can't hang around if we want to be there when the train arrives.
How far to Montréal?
Oh, about 120 miles. Oh, cool. Molinage is a cool burg. Who are you?
And what are you doing in our car?
The name's Raymond Zero, hitchhiker, and Molinage suits me just fine. Let's go.
Oh, wonderful. Listen, I want you out of this car this instant.
Hey, easy, dude. I'll be cool. I'll go wherever you go. Besides, your friend looks like he's in a hurry.
He's right. We've lost enough time.
Crime time is upon us. In 2 minutes and 34 seconds, Count Champignac and all his inventions will be in my hands, and all the gold in the bank will be mine. Just 1 more minute. For crying out loud! Don't play games with me, Popsy.
It's coming right on time.
Vito Cortisone, you monster!
No, Don Vito Cortisone is no monster. He's a genius. The genius of crime. I'm the man who's going to kidnap Count Champignac. What? Why won't this crummy train stop? For crying out loud! Cut the wires of the alarm. I must have cut the wrong wire!
Oh, that sorry excuse for a gangster couldn't even stop the train!
My stomach hurts.
What?
I have to get out.
Hang on, friend. You're a big boy now.
I'm not well. Honest, it was those cookies. I can't eat chocolate.
On top of everything else, he's delicate.
Mr. Zerode is truly ill. It would be prudent to stop.
There. Be quick. We have better things to do. And as for you, Penelope, no more hitchhikers.
Mr. Zerode is a very sweet-tempered young man. I couldn't refuse him my hospitality.
Someone needs a good kick in the radials.
Woo-wee. Much better. Let's hit the road. Your car talks, huh? Do you think that's safe? Shouldn't your mind be on the road?
You're nothing but a brute, a beast, a monster. Ah!
You're gonna write a big article on the genius of crime, the great Don Vito Cortisone.
Never! You hear me? Never!
You wanna bet?
Ah!
All I can hope for now is that Rupert has the sense to meet me in Moulin Neige.
Ha! Vito the Unlucky is right. When I have Champignac in the ambulance, that gangster of the grotesque can fly to the moon.
Come here quick, Rupert. The train only stops 2 minutes.
Quick, Fantasio!
Hey! Last stop, pal. Everybody out! And goodbye forever!
See ya, squirrel. You're one all right rodent. It's lonely here. Ooh, wee! Super cool!
You could help me, Vito.
No, you're the muscle. As for me, I'm the brains. Shh. Things are looking up. My plan is back on track. Good luck is smiling on me again.
What would you like, Vito?
A one-way ticket?
For crying out loud. No!
Spirou? That threw him for a loop.
Anybody call for an ambulance?
Von Schnabel!
Nice work, Rupert. You see to the count. I'll take care of these bozos.
No, too late.
Get out of here and find a way to stop this train! Now! And hurry!
Stop the train. He comes up with some good ones.
Yo, I'm Raymond Zerode. Woo-wee, uncool. Huh? Hey, little guy, where's your pals? They leave you high and dry?
Thanks for dropping by, gentlemen. But my magnificent plan don't include you. You can read all about it in the papers. Now, beat it! Beat it! Jump, or I'll make Swiss cheese out of you. Rid of those pesky pests at last.
Oh, we're really making progress, aren't we?
We have to get back to Moulin Neige, where we left the car. Poor Spip must be wondering where we are.
We should have taught him how to drive. He could have come and picked us up. A car! Maybe.
Get down, quick!
Are you crazy?
That ambulance was at the station. It has to be Rupert's.
Let's go over this again. Vito Cortisone, he's this Tonio Verticose's accomplice.
He is Tonio Vertico's. The accomplice is Von Schnabel. They want to kidnap Champignac.
And steal his inventions.
Because Champignac steals inventions.
No, he invents inventions. He invented the micropulsar, the sablotron.
The sablotron?
I'm getting tempted to commit an offense against an officer of the law.
Cool. Here you are. Me and the squirrel look for you everywhere. Finally, Penelope told us to get the police.
Who is that?
Raymond Zerode. He's sort of a friend, I guess. Am I to assume you had the nerve to steal our car?
Well, yeah. But I asked Penelope first.
Who's Penelope?
The car.
The car.
Listen, now that we've got Penelope back, we can handle this on our own. Come on, there isn't a second to lose.
Bye, and thanks anyway.
It was all a silly dream.
What's keeping that bozo Rupert from stopping the train?
Find a way to stop the train. I'd love to know how. An inflatable cow, just what I need to stop the train. Kidnap Champignac and say goodbye to Vito.
Are you crazy, Spirou? Look, you can't, you'll break your neck.
That's for sure. You'll never make it. We have no choice.
Fine, then I'm going with you.
No, we both end up with broken necks. Get to San Martino and alert the police.
Hey. I would never do that.
No kidding. But that's no excuse for standing here gaping all day. Come on, let's go.
Count, wake up! What a mess! I can't just sit here and not do anything. Jessica, there's only one thing to do.
Woo-wee! That's the ambulance I hopped into in Molinage. That driver's not cool.
Obviously a Sterling type who doesn't like freeloaders. Hey, hang on! That's Rupert!
Jessica!
Spirou!
Come on! We've got to stop Vito!
Where's that Rupert? What's keeping him? The train pulls into San Martino in a few minutes.
And we've reserved a cozy little cell for you there, Vito.
For crying out loud, you again!
That's right! Us again!
Huh?
It's working! Vito would never have thought of this! Trains always stop for a cow on the tracks! Hey, what the... No!
Come on! A right to the jaw! A hard left! Hey, cool! There goes the cow!
Where's the cow? The cow! Come back here, you! No!
One down!
Woo-wee! Hey, man, look, a flying cow!
Raymond, didn't you know? All the cows around here like to do a little flying.
Really? Can you beat that?
Don't worry about your partner, Vito. I'd be surprised if he got very far.
Rupert finally did his job. But we're moving again. No, no!
On to San Martino!
No!
Move it, Nursey!
Scram, vermin! Rupert is the sorriest excuse for a henchman on earth! Boy, oh boy! Fantasio's probably called the cops. Of all the luck! Vito, you're a genius!
We get to San Martino soon. Let's hope Fantasio called the police.
And the Count's waking up at last.
Hiya there, policeman. I want a fast car to get out of here, and if I don't get it, I'll throw this here bomb!
Why, you scoundrel?
Ooh-wee, far from cool, man.
Vito, take me too!
No way. You can keep him. He's a loser.
Oh, Vito, you dirty backstabber!
Not cool.
The creep.
He may be a creep, but Vito Cortisoni's a dangerous criminal. We have to give him what he wants.
What about Spip?
Do as I say or I'll blow us all sky high.
You're a fiend, Vito.
Yeah, a monster. A monstrous monster maniac.
Come on, Vito, stop playing games. Give me that.
Don't come any closer. I told you I'll blow us all up.
You're not going to blow anything up.
The bomb! Whoa!
Not cool at all.
Spirou, no!
Relax. This bomb couldn't blow up a birthday cake. A few candles aren't likely to do much damage.
For crying out loud. This was supposed to be my lucky day.
Spirou, you really knew the bomb was a fake?
That's right. Thanks to Spip.
Woo-wee! Hey, Super Spip, super cool.
Welcome to San Martino, Count.
Ah, Fantasio, you're here too. Did you come in your automobile? What a shame you missed the train. Train journeys are so restful. Look at me, I haven't slept so well in ages. A flying cow? Utterly unbelievable!